हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं फिर से लेके आ गया हूँ आपके लिए ब्लॉग नंबर 2 ऑन द स्प्लेंडोरा सीजन 3 एसपीएल सीजन 3। आइए देखते हैं आपका फाइनल मैच, प्रेजेंटेशन सेरेमनी, व्हाट कैप्टन सेज अबाउट टूर्नामेंट, क्या कोच ने कहा, क्या पेरेंट्स ने कहा और क्या मैंने कहा। इंतजार कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच and thanks for joining Chain of Life.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है,
कुछ नहीं है।
सिर्फ अच्छा खेलना है, मिसफील्ड नहीं करना है, कूल रह के खेलना है बस, और कुछ नहीं।
चलो,
बैटिंग में मैं हूँ बस,
गुड,
और कुछ नहीं।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
थैंक्स।
I'm very happy to reach till finals.
चलो, गुड गुड, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
Thank you, thank you.
मैच टॉस है, चलो ग्रेट।
Bowling.
चलो, फाइनल मैच की तैयारी। अखिल जो बैट्समैन है अभी, टीम का कैप्टन है जो बैटिंग कर रहा है। सो लेट्स सी हु विन द मैच। फर्स्ट बॉल ऑफ द मैच। पाँच ओवर 48 रन 49 टू विन। तीन चौके लगातार यश कप्तान की तरफ से। विकेट डाउन। नीतीश बॉलर जिसने लास्ट मैच में हैट्रिक लिया था, हैट्रिक के आसपास था, इनफैक्ट 3 विकेट लिए थे। One over 29 run to win in the final match. और ये नेवी राइडर्स फाइनल मैच जीत चुके हैं। यस, they become the champions of SPL tournament. कैसे जीत गए तुम दोनों? बाहर मार दिया। क्या बात है, वेरी गुड। कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? The correction, winner is Blue Musketeers.
Vision laminated of the full team. You can keep it in your anywhere, wherever, bedroom or in the showcase. Okay, it's a free of cost. They are going to give it to us free of cost. So this
Dry ceremony.
big tournament. And that is why I want him to learn how to speak, because you will be in the interview. So I don't want you to be in the interview like, you know, how Akshar Patel has been asked in Hindi. I want you to get prepared now. That the questions will be asked to you and you have to answer. Right? So I want you to speak today now, whatever the tournament was and how the tournament was, how excited you are, because since it's your first tournament, you came only 2 months before you all had come to stay here. Only 2 months before. And then how it is, how You made the friends here. All these things you have to speak. Come on, okay, over to you.
So this was my first tournament. I won SPL 4 and I am now learning how to get confidence in the match. So this was my first tournament. I will learn quickly. The captain, I was little bit of nervous, but now I am fully confident.
Very good.
Now I know how to play a match
Great.
and handle the team.
Okay, very good, very good.
Thank you.
Come on, everyone. Okay, let me ask him the question. Viraj, you have been staying in this Lodha Splendora complex since how long? 4 to 5 months. And how do you like this complex? If you compare with your previous complex or wherever you were living. Is it good? It is lively here, or there it was lively where you were living earlier?
What you can say that
Okay, so both were lively, but then are you enjoying here? Are you enjoying your cricket here? Are you enjoying with your so many friends you have made now? Are you enjoying here?
Yes, I'm very enjoying.
Yes. So you are enjoying. So how old are you and what is your ambition in life? And as far as I'm speaking about cricket is concerned, what is your ambition? What would you like to become?
I would like to become a cricketer. Yeah, I would like to become a cricketer. I'm taking it as my career. And
So that's it. This is Viraj Rawat, and he has just come 3-4 months ago to Lodha Splendora complex, and he's a little bit shy boy to speak, but then when it comes to cricket, he is very harsh. He is very tough on cricket, and at the age of 10, I think he is doing his great job. He's working out on everything, whatever he can do. This boy also, I remember on the very first day when he had come for a coaching, and the way I gave him the intense training on the fitness, he literally collapsed. He collapsed and his father came with water. He was about to call the doctor, in fact. So, but then, then I said, not to worry. This is an intense one. And now today, this boy, after 2 months and 2 months, I believe, it's only 2 months. Now you make him run for 10 kilometers also, he is able to run. That's the greatness of this boy. Yeah, and this boy will also make a big cricket. Yes, thank you very much, Viraj. Thanks.
very amazing tournament. I really enjoyed it, and I am waiting for SPL 4 very soon. Although we lost, we played very well, and from now I realized that if my team is not so strong, also I need to take my team, and I hope we win SPL 4.
Very good.
Well said. It is, if I have understood what he has said, that, even if his team, it's not that your team is weak, but even if your team doesn't perform, then he has to take it on his shoulder, the total team. Yeah, that's a job of the captain. If your team doesn't perform, it is you who have to perform, and that is how you are, and that's the reason that you are chosen as a captain. Well done, and all the best. But I would like to also speak on Rishabh, that all those who ate the breakfast in the morning, idli and vada, and plus the drink, that refreshing drink, it was all from his parents. Well done. Shabash. Thank you very much, Rishabh, and thanks to your parents also.
Come on.
My daddy trained me so much that I can be the captain for the tournaments. And today which I am playing,
Go ahead. Come on.
now today I am captain of this team because of my dad.
Very good.
He always helped me in cricket. I also make not so good strategy, but he helped me.
Very good.
He helped me to make me the good strategy.
Very good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
But I cannot play so good today because our team was also losing wickets at top orders. The openers did not perform, the whole team, but we tried our whole 100%. We tried.
Fantastic. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good.
सबको डैडी ने सिखाया, कोच गया भैंस पानी में गया. Yeah, okay. Can we?
It was my first SPL. I really enjoyed by being a captain. I'm thankful for my team to support me, and I'm thankful for Elvin sir to take me in the SPL and making me captain.
Thank you. तो अभी मैंने अभी जरा न्यू के बारे में बोला तो मेरे बारे में कुछ.
First of all, I'm happy with my team who supported me a lot in this tournament. Although we lose, but for me, my team is the winner. And thank you to my coach who supported me a lot in every match or every tournament. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
I think a fantastic win of Abhishek. Otherwise, he would have gone out from the tournament in the eliminator. But I don't know. This is only the wisdom that he used it in the last ball where they wanted 4 runs to win, and it was impossible when the batsman had touched. He did not get the 4, but they ran 4 runs, which I think he, as a captain, he used his wisdom and he was very good into that. A round of applause to him. Well done.
Tournament, we had a great experience. SPL is always fun. So, although we lost, but our team did really well, more than we expected. We made a silly error in the end, but it's okay. It happens. We all are learning. So, I would like to thank first of all my team, our coach, and all the organizers who helped Sir and all of us to organize such a great tournament. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aman, for these wonderful words for the officials also.
I'm playing here from past 2 years. My ambition was to win this cup. Finally, I got the opportunity. My team played very well. For me, also my team is the winner. It was team efforts, not only me. The team played very well, especially the kids. Pritish, Priyansh, all played well. The bowling they have done was wonderful. That's it.
Oh, that's great. I think, the first captain and the real captain is a captain who don't take the credit which belongs to him, but the credit he gives it to the team and especially the developing players. A great one, great speech, Akhil. I really liked it because it's an encouragement for the youngsters like Priyansh, Pritish, and Anmol. This is an encouragement for them. A lovely, good speech. Can I have the last, anybody, because our jerseys were not ready and you all came to collect it. It was a fantastic, this is just a memory for all of us. And you all made it, and everyone is sitting here. What is very important is none of them have gone home. They are all sitting here. That's the spirit, that's the spirit, and that is what you all should be. This shows that that you have got so much of talent in you. Yeah. So thank you very much. Not forgetting the parents, you were really a great parents who were really guiding them. You really helped them to come here. Yeah, and because of you all, today whatever they did it is because of only your parents. Thank you very much, parents. And all the spectators, whoever is watching from up, anybody who is watching or listening to me, thank you very much. So there are some of the spectators there. All right, okay. So here we are with our presentation ceremony. That's it from me for you people. But let us go to the presentation ceremony. Our sponsors, the sponsors Roche and Royce, has given us some vouchers. Kotari has given us some vouchers. Vision has given us the vouchers. And you know, there will be a certificate and a medal too. So all these things are for you. A good job done by all, and that is the reason that we are acknowledging you as a winner. So here we call Shreno Mishra to come and collect his certificate, his medal, his voucher, everything. And to capture the moment, we have got Aditya to capture, and it will be uploaded on the YouTube. Captain of the team. Red Rangers. The family picture of it. टीम के शक्ल पे ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत सेंटीमेंट है मतलब मैच हारने से।
अपने फादर को इतना इंटरेस्ट होना हो, लेकिन दादा को ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट होता है, क्योंकि वो जो सपना पूरा नहीं कर सकता वो अपने पोतों में देखता है। उसको ज्यादा खुशी होती है कि मेरा बच्चा, मेरा पोता जो है वो ऐसा बने। जो मजा उसके उसके फादर को भी होगा गर्व, जो उसके दादा को, ये हकीकत है कि यहाँ को पहले मैं सर को इनके पाँव छूना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया है कि मेरी भावना है कि मैं इनको ये बुजुर्ग होने की वजह से नहीं, ये भावना अलग चीज़ है, बुजुर्ग होना अलग चीज़ है। अगर छोटों में भी कुछ वो आता है तो उसके पैर छूने को कोई वो नहीं, क्योंकि वो आपकी सच्ची भावना है। जो इसका इतना अच्छा इंतजाम किया उसके लिए हमें गर्व होना चाहिए कि ऐसा हर सोसाइटी में होना चाहिए। जो उन्होंने फोटो को ऐसे फोटो ले लो सबके साथ में हमारा भाई मेरा हौसला बढ़ा दिया, और मेरा ही नहीं, ये सिर्फ क्रेडिट मुझे नहीं जाती है, ये हमारे भाई अंकित को जाती है, प्रभास को जाती है, नीलेश भाई को जाती है, कार्तिक को जाती है। बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे इस टूर्नामेंट में इन्वॉल्व थे। आप लोगों ने सारी वीडियोस देखी होगी, बट यू डू नॉट नो हु इज अंकित। दिस इज द गाय हु वाज सेंडिंग यू द वीडियोस। ग्रेट जॉब डन बाय अंकित। हमारे जो एनालिस्ट जो है, ये हमारे कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट मिस्टर प्रभास,
जो हमारी जो बजटिंग और सब कुछ होती थी इनकी थ्रू होती थी सारी, और जो वेरी लो कॉस्ट में इन्होंने पूरी खाना, टी शर्ट, बॉल खेलना, कप, सारी चीजें इन्होंने बना दी है. राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू हिम. Nilesh Bhai, who is not here now, but he has also done, he has worked a lot of things behind the scene. Yeah, it is not only I who did it, it is the full total team ने सारी की है. Yes. ये हमें आगे ले जाएगी SPL 4 के लिए. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. And this is Navy Riders. The captain Yash along with the vice captain Chris and the team members Arman, Roop, Nivan and Pawan. Pranav. Trophy. Come on, here we go with the trophy. Developing players, and they have done fantastic in this tournament. They have done good in this tournament. And I would like to, any guesses who's the emerging player you think? Okay, you all are wrong. It is Pritish. Come, Pritish, come forward. Arman Sahu, the best bowler of the tournament. I know that many of the ladies must be knowing him, not because क्योंकि वो line मार रहा है, but because क्योंकि उन्होंने जो एक ladies tournament बहुत अच्छी खासी उन्होंने बनाई थी. So I think you all know Avnish Sharma, and he is a good player also in the men cricket tournament. So Avnish, over to you here for the best batsman, and it is Abhishai. Congratulations, Abhishek. Had a tournament in Airoli, and Abhishek scored 57 not out, and he was the man of the match in that trophy, in that match. Though we lost the match, but he did a fantastic job there by scoring 57. 57 run मारना इतना easy नहीं है. He did a good job. The same thing with Mridhu also. Mridhu scored 53 run not out in Airoli match. But that was under 10 and this was under 14. Yeah, well done Abhishek. Keep it up. Yeah. Thank you. Other than Abhishek Chauhan, who won the best batsman. Yeah, आज अभिषेक ने इनका जो सर है थोड़ा और ऊंचा कर दिया. Thank you Abhishek. Yeah, I believe that you know that your father must be proud today. Yeah. Hit 55 runs in the first match and then that continued throughout the tournament. Okay. Many of you all have seen the video which he uploads on the YouTube. कि जब भी बच्चे अपने मैच के लिए जाते हैं या everything, he is the guy behind the scene. Yeah, and he is none other than the father of Viraj Rawat. And if anybody knows about Aditya Rawat, he is a good player who had gone for the selection of under 19 Mumbai team. Under 19 Mumbai team, he was selected in the first round, and last year he was selected in 3 rounds. But you know, ultimately it is bad luck to get selected into. But he has got the fighting power. You know, he is the father of Aditya and Viraj. Can I call the winner team Priyansh Bagmar. Yes. Pritish Bhagwani. Manthan Prajapati. Aditya Shah.
ये गोल्ड है ये इन लोगों को वही करने वाला था मैं।
एक मिनट आदित्य को जरा अच्छे से फोटो ले लो, क्योंकि वो 1 साल के बाद मुझे फोटो पूछता है कि मेरे लास्ट ईयर के SPL की फोटो कहाँ है। तो ये टाइम अभी आपको आज रात को ही मिल जाएगी। ओके, अच्छी फोटो ले लो। अनमोल सिन्हा। And last but not least, it is the captain, Akhil. You know about Akhil, I would like to speak 2 words about Akhil. I think Akhil is the first student of mine in Lodha Splendora. Sir, if you remember that you had enrolled Akhil in my academy, and he was the first student of mine in the academy. He was very small that time, 3 years younger, and he was very fat that time. By looking at him, I'll tell the truth today. I remember that the first day when I came to drop my daughter in the bus, he was also there in the bus. And I was talking to his father about, I'm a cricket coach and all. And his father said, Akhil is also a cricketer. By looking at his structure, I said he cannot be a cricketer. By looking at his but he has proved me wrong today, that you all must have seen that he did extraordinary. And today he is the most valuable player of the tournament. Yeah, and I'm really proud of him that, that today, after because we will not take 1 year into consideration, as 2020 will not take it.
सेकंड वाली
2020 we will not take it into consideration. So he came for the coaching for 2 years, and I remember initially when he had come, he was a beginner. Again he was the same player like any other players here, the beginners, any other beginners like Vansh. Vansh little bit better than Vansh. Vansh very raw. He knew to play cricket. But the way he developed his cricket and his passion for cricket was such that today I told him that that this is not the place for you, this is not the platform for you. Now you have to move to the new platform, and now he has started going to the Real Cricket Academy, which is in behind DMart. And now today, after I think 2 months now, and he is doing extraordinary there. He has started getting a lot of opportunities, matches, and he is doing great. I'm sure that when he will play for maybe for Mumbai or any of the big teams, I will be the first person to be very happy about it. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Thank you, sir.
I'll not take more than 2 minutes. I basically requested Alvin to let me speak for few minutes, and
Sit down.
we shifted here around 4-5 months back, and then since one son is already in the cricket, and I would like to look for the another son, and he has already narrated the story that how he was on the first day, how things changes actually. So thanks Alvin for that. But before I speak about SPL tournament, which was definitely a fantastic, mesmerizing, encouraging, engaging. I have been to all the matches except Singhania because of certain restrictions. But I'm not going to talk about those tournaments. But I would like to talk about a person who actually work for the people. A person who actually see that all win. A person who always see that all win. And why I am telling all of you about this person, because I have seen in my career many people. I being in human resource function, I read people easily because having an experience of 20 years, I know what kind of people are there in this world. And I, whether it is a God gift or whatever, I can read people easily. So if I talk about a person who always think about all win, is none other than all win, our all win. Why I am telling you? Because there is a reason behind that. आज की दुनिया में people are looking for money. People are looking for everything. And पैसा आए उसके बाद इसका क्या होगा? We don't know. But I have seen that Alvin is not looking for money. He is here for the passion. And the passion I have seen when I came to know from my son Aditya, my son Abhiraj, when he went that Akhil and 4 more players are not going to play in his academy. And he said, you go and play in the other academy, get trained there. कौन करता है आज के दिन? None other than. It is only Alvin. So Alvin, thank you very much. You have been, supporting like anything. I know जब भी morning walk में जाता हूँ, बेटा मेरा साथ में जाता है academy में. He always asks, क्या हुआ, क्या नहीं हुआ. And the biggest part when he went for a Mumbai selection under 19, and he was asking me, कि आप गए नहीं? मैंने कहा वो जाने नहीं देता है. No problem. Monday मैं जाऊँगा, मैं उसके साथ चला जाऊँगा. So without any hidden agenda, he only wanted that everybody should all win. So thank you, Alvin. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for this lovely. And I'm sure that that if Sachin Tendulkar is a brand ambassador for which company is that? Earlier it was IDBF Federal Life Insurance. Sachin Tendulkar was a brand ambassador for that company, but now he is a brand ambassador for the name AGF. It's the same one, and he is a brand ambassador, and he takes a lot of tips from Sachin also, that how he can make his son a cricketer. And I'm sure that this man has got a lot of passion into him for cricket. Not only he, along with his wife, she also sometimes, wherever we go for a match, she is also there. That's what the passion of cricket is there in this family. So that's the reason that I call to give away the winner's trophy to the winning team. Can I call the winning team, please? Along with Akhil and all your boys. Everybody is there?
तुम भी इधर उठाओ.
This will wind up with our presentation. Pallavi is, very passionate. Again, she is very passionate. She asked, PTM, whatever we have got PTI in school. She also calls me and find out what is the progress of my son, how is the progress of my son. And I'm sure by winning all these trophies, I'm sure that, she has got convinced with what she wanted to ask me. Yeah, I have not called you to speak about you, but I'll call you to give away these medals to our officials. Can I call Ankit? Ankit, please come forward for the... Yeah, so this is Ankit. And Ankit was behind the scene for every video what he had sent. Thank you very much, Ankit. Can I call Prabhas? Prabhas, please come forward. Nilesh is not here, Nilesh. Rinku, please collect your medal. Commentary, for the commentary. Well done. To be one of the best commentators. I really liked it, the way they did their commentary. Please come forward. And also please later you collect your vouchers also. And I'm sure that I'm awaiting for the SPL 4, which is in my mind. I just want to put it on paper now. And let's wait and see how the pandemic is working out, and we will try to have more and more tournaments. My next tournament will be for the family tournament it will be. Yeah, husband, wife in the same team. तो बॉयफ्रेंड को लेके आ सकते हो.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई श्योर आपने वीडियो को एंजॉय किया होगा, ब्लॉग को एंजॉय किया होगा. इसी तरीके से आप उसको शेयर करते रहिए. और मेरे बनाने का एक सबसे बड़ा कारण ये भी है कि जब भी मैं अपने नीचे जाता हूँ, लोगों से मिलता हूँ, बच्चों से मिलता हूँ, बच्चे बार बार आके बोलते हैं अंकल अंकल आपने वीडियो अपलोड किया, अंकल आप वीडियो बना रहे हो. दैट गिव्स मी एन एनकरेजमेंट, दैट गिव्स मी ए पुश to come with cricket blogs where kids likes it. Thank you very much and joining Chain of Life.